Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can color grade your videos on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to grab this video. Actually, let me grab the videos from scenery. Oh, my CapCut is hacking real bad. I'm just going to grab this one. You're just going to select your video and you're going to go to adjustments here, and you can basically color grade it here. You can color correct it, but you do need Pro for it, so I'm not going to do that. You can also auto adjust it if you'd like to. You can add LUTs. You do need to download them first. Let's do Crisp Autumn. Obviously this will be a little bit too bright, so I'm just going to add this just simply for the color. You can also adjust the temperatures here. If you want to make it warmer, you're going to move this to the right. If you want to make it cooler, you're going to move this to the left. And here's just some tint that you can kind of play around with. I think I'm just going to adjust it a little bit. There's a new feature, dehazing and color boost. You only have 3 uses though. You can adjust the exposure here, which I'm going to do because the background is a little bit too light for my liking. And I'm also just going to adjust the highlights and shadows here. Just kind of play around with it until you think it looks nice. You can sharpen it as well. So there's also curves that you can kind of play around with here too. There's the red ones as well to really up the red color in your video. There's some color wheels that you can play around, HSL. But yeah, that is how you can color grade in CapCut PC. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.